Josam's unique ProPlus trench drain system is manufactured utilizing SMC GRP material. Josam introduced this unique product with one goal in mind: to offer a trench drain solution that's not only easier to work with, but one that offers superior properties over other trench drain materials. The ProPlus trench drain system is manufactured using glass fiber reinforced polyester processed from sheet molding compound. It's a composite of polyester resin, mineral fillers, and glass fiber mats. This material is what puts Josam's ProPlus trench drain in a class of its own. When comparing ProPlus to other materials, you must consider the compressive, tensile, and flexural strength. It substantially exceeds other common trench materials such as concrete, polymer concrete, polypropylene, and HDPE. ProPlus is not only 1.5 times stronger, but it's 70% lighter in weight than polymer concrete, making it extremely easy to handle. The unique properties of the ProPlus trench drain system allows for less thermal expansion and contraction than polymer concrete, polypropylene, and HDPE. It withstands extreme temperature ranges and is resistant to frost, heat, rust, and various chemicals, preventing shape distortion. The thermal expansion property of this material has been engineered to be most similar to concrete. Its low value helps maintain layout setup integrity before the concrete pour, even in wide ambient temperature swings, and minimizes the chance for separation from the concrete after it sets up. Channels can withstand fluid temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit continuous and 392 degrees Fahrenheit intermittent. And high-temperature accessories are available for more demanding applications. ProPlus SMC GRP is clearly superior to other trench drains. ProPlus channels are available in 19.7-inch and 39.4-inch lengths at either 4-inch or 8-inch nominal interior widths and are available with and without slope. Sloped channels are numbered for ease of installation.
We installed Josam's ProPlus trench drain system at a local brewery, and I have to say it was not only easy, but my labor numbers benefited greatly.
Various grates are available for load classes A through F in ProSnap, locking bar, or bolt-down locking styles. Josam's bolt-down, which requires ductile iron rail option, and locking bar are conventional locking mechanism securement grates. All grates are ADA and/or HP compliant. Ductile iron grates come standard with epoxy-coated finish at no extra charge, and decorative grates are also available upon request. ProSnap grates offer a unique, innovative 4-point locking system that requires no bolts. It's a 4-point lock system in the channel body for a solid and secure fit without loose or rattling parts. It offers simple, fast insertion and removal of grates with a single hand movement without the need for special tools. And it allows the channel cross-section to remain completely unobstructed so that discharge rates remain unaffected and cleaning and maintenance are easy. ProPlus channels have been successfully tested through load class E without the need for a DI rail, unless when using hard wheel forklifts or scissor lifts. If schematics are provided, Josam offers a free-of-charge technical design service featuring a sample installation drawing for use during the installation process.
The trench drain system we installed had no effect from the brewery's high-temperature fluid dumps. The quality and strength of this product is second to none without a premium price.
For installations with a bottom outlet, cut out the opening on the channel with a rotary tool and screw on the bottom outlet connector to the channel. Apply sealant on the groove prior to connecting. When connecting the end cap to the channel, first install the bracket support with wedge. Once the bracket support is snapped into place, snap the top of the end cap to be flush with the channel and slide it into the groove. The first channel is now ready to be leveled and installed. The channel body includes the supports needed to install the rebar. Slide the rebar through each support and level the channel as it's secured to the rebar. The rebar should only be hand tightened to the support. Once the outlet channel section is in place and leveled, The remaining channels can be installed quickly and easily. The ends of the channels feature a tongue and groove. As each channel is installed, place the tongue end into the groove of the first channel and repeat the process of securing and leveling the channel with the rebar. ProPlus trench drains with slope feature a unique numbering system inside each channel to help guide you through the installation process. If the numbers at each channel joint match, you know it's being installed correctly. When the last upstream channel is leveled and secured, install the end cap in the groove. Make sure to snap the top of the end cap to be flush with the channel. There is a recess in the bottom of the trench drain where the tongue and groove system come together. Josam offers a channel joint rebate insert that snaps into the recess. A bead of sealant can be placed in the recess with or without the insert. Installing the grate is as easy as lining it up over the top of the channel and snapping it down into place. Josam's labor-saving grates feature a shrink-wrap material to protect both the grate and inside the channel during the concrete pour, eliminating the need to cut and install plywood spacers.
ProPlus trench drains were readily available for my project, and working with Josam's customer service team is painless. They even provide free of charge layout drawings to further the ease of installation.
There are many different grates, options, accessories, and designs available with Josam's ProPlus trench drain system that should be considered for each application. Typical applications include sidewalks, pools, shopping areas, parking lots, loading docks, commercial kitchens, distribution centers, breweries, wineries, airports, and various building facilities. For more information on Josam Company's labor-saving ProPlus trench drain system, visit josam.com.